Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to show you how to install vidIQ extensions to Google Chrome. This is a very useful software for YouTubers. There you can know the video rankings and you can get strong keywords from there. Let's go to video. First go to the Google Chrome and go to Google extensions and there search vidIQ. Then click on the first link and click on add to Chrome. Then click on add extension. Wait until it checking. There you can see it is installed into your computer.
Alright folks, thanks for installing vidIQ.
Now there you have to sign into vidIQ. Like that you can sign into vidIQ.
Alright folks, thanks for installing.
Then you can see vidIQ has installed to your computer. From there you can see the video rankings, video like rates and your video rates. Like that many more you can know this. Thank you for watching my video.